I'm so glad we're finally doing this.
Me too.
I am feeling a little bit of spud guilt.
The babies will be fine. Knife came really highly recommended. And drink your vodka and enjoy the sun.
I have not felt the sun since harvest.
You deserve this.
You deserve this.
You deserve this.
You look a little green.
I'm fine. Nothing is ruining this trip.
Are you oozing? I think something's wrong with my eyes.
Maybe we should go home.
No, nobody's going anywhere. Where's my drink? Shots! We need shots! We really should do this more often. Cheers! Hello? Hello?